Now that we have a big idea, it is all about your ideal member. Who is the person out there in the world who wants and needs your community the most right now? These are highly motivated people. And I can say this with great confidence, watching literally millions of people across an incredibly diverse set of communities. There is someone out there right now who is waiting for the community that you are creating because they are your ideal member. There is actually a formula for finding that incredibly motivated person. And it's really simple. Human being plus a transition. We are born, we grow up, we take on challenges. Those transitions are absolute community gold because it is when people are the most motivated. They're motivated to join new things. They are motivated to contribute. They are motivated to bring in new people. And they love to talk about the progress that they're making. You want to spend your time defining who you serve. You get this right, and you have got the easiest path to a really profitable business that you can be proud of. So let's take an example of the ideal member for a death doula community. The person would be an aspiring caregiver, hungry for the training that's going to allow them to offer their service to people and their families at the end of life. Sober moms, young moms who want to stop drinking, building sobriety habits on your own when they are still fresh and fragile, not so easy. Much easier to do that in a community of other young, sober moms. Going from debt to being debt-free. So 30-something men in this particular case, men who have gotten themselves into trouble with crypto, gambling, sports betting, getting out from under the weight of debt by changing lifestyle and identity. Each of these examples are communities on Mighty that are making over $15,000 a year right now today. And as you can see, it's not about a single personality. Members are talking and building relationships with other members, being a part of an amazing community that is helping people go through transitions from one stage of life or one level of skill to the next. Watch the video here to learn how.